Hi guys, it's me UBprogrammer, and today we will see how we can pass data from one component to another, and we will see uh, it using props, which is a functionality of React. Let me just clean it a bit. Okay, so let's get started with the video. If you are working on any custom project and you want to discuss it, you can fill out this form. Okay, let's get started. uh Here is our VS Code. We have two components. One is app, which comes by default in CRA, create react app, and we have projects, which we created in the previous video. A simple component which is returning only one div, which has text projects, right? And we have rendered it in index.js, right? Now let's clean it a bit. This I will just remove all of this, and I will say this is app component, and the button, okay, this is app component. Now if I just go into my projects and I say that in the fragments that this is projects component. Now if I want to render these projects in my app, I can do it simply by using it as custom tag, custom HTML tag, right? Projects, and I just move it and self closing tag. Okay, so it automatically imported uh, the component. Okay, use state is defined but never used. Where we, okay, we can remove it. Here we have, this is a project component, this is app component, this is project component. Why it's coming for two? Because we are rendering it for twice. One is in the app, one is in the index, right? So I can just remove it. I only want to render app, but you can see in the app I am rendering another component, which is project. This is app, this is project. Now if I want to add some data in right here after the component text, and that data will come from the app component. Let's see. I will say my name equal to web. In the app I am sending some data to my projects, and in projects how I can use this data using props. I will accept here props, and then I will say right after component data from app is, and in the curly braces to define it as a variable, props dot, and what was it, my name, the variable name. Whatever the value of my name, it will uh, be here. From index I can remove the projects. Okay, let's see. So data from app is web. This is a project component, and this is getting data from the app component, which is my name, and the value is web. Okay, so I think now it makes sense how you can send data from one component to another, and how you can render one component in an other component, right? So I hope you like the video. I'll meet you in the next one.